Section 1.7, example 3 says, which is a solution of 3 times the quantity t plus 1 minus 4t is greater than or equal to negative 5. So we have A is 8, B is 9, C is 10, and D is 11. Our plan is just to write the original inequality and solve for t and see which one of these numbers will fit into our final inequality. The first step would be to distribute our 3 into the parentheses. So we have 3 times t and 3 times 1. The next step, after we get 3t plus 3 minus 4t is greater than or equal to negative 5, is to check for like terms. We do have a 3t and a minus 4t that we can combine on the left-hand side. Now we have 3 minus t, since 3t minus 4t gives us negative t, is greater than or equal to negative 5. We want to get our constants on the same side, so since we have a positive 3, we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. 3 minus 3 is a 0 pair. Bring down your negative t, don't forget the negative sign. Since we subtracted, we keep our symbol the same way. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Right now, we're very close to being done, but we have a negative t and we want a positive t. So negative t is the same as saying negative 1 times t. So to undo negative 1 times t, we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. When you divide negative t by negative 1, you get positive t. Negative 8 divided by negative 1 is positive 8. And then because we divided by a negative, that's a red flag, we got to flip the sign. So dividing or multiplying by a negative, we flip the sign. So we get t is less than or equal to 8. So if we look at 11, 11 is not less than or equal to 8. 10 is not less than or equal to 8. 9 is not less than or equal to 8. However, 8 is equal to 8. So since it is equal to 8, it is included in the less than or equal to. So we would choose A. The next slide has all this information worked out, and the answer is described on the following slide, with some extra reasoning of how you can check to see that you got the right answer. On page 63, we have number 5, solve the inequality. This says negative 3 times the quantity j plus 3 plus 9j is less than negative 15.